Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for May 16 to 31, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see, Leo. Ano yung energies for you? May 16 to 31. Okay. Stars. Stars is about your hopes, your dreams, yung mga goals mo sa buhay. Actually, ang daming, unlimited potentials, unlimited opportunities that are opening up for you. You just need to grab that opportunity. Kasi 33 is a master number. This is a creator number. So, maaring you need to tap into your creative skills, talents, abilities to reach your goals and dreams. Oh, meron lang fear. May natatakot sa inyo to make that change. This can be a ghost from the past. Pwedeng meron kayong trauma, no? Or like an experience in the past na nag-take kayo ng risk, tapos hindi naging successful, kaya ngayon medyo takot kayo na sumubok ng bago. Oh my God, you have the Death card, which is a new beginning, ending sa new beginnings. So some of you, Leo, I see that maglalakas loob ka natapusin or i-let go ang isang chapter sa buhay mo to focus on achieving your goals and dreams, na hindi ka na natatakot sa judgment ng ibang tao or sa challenges na pwede mong kaharapin, or wala ka ng inhibitions, kumbaga. Maaring you will have this major transformation, may pagbabago ka sa sarili mo na you want, sabi nga, nothing is changed if nothing is changed. Walang magbabago kung wala kang babaguhin. So, it's time to take that step that you want. No fear. You have Temperance. This is balance, bringing balance into your life. This is also patience. Maari kasi yung iba sa inyo nagmamadali, no? Alam nyo na, let's say, ngayon, meron na kayong na-build na let's say career, but hindi fulfilling for some of you. Tapos parang andun yung feeling na okay, gusto mo ng bago, gusto mo ng bagong experience, pero natatakot ka na magsimula ulit, 'di ba? So yung iba dinidelay niyo yung pagsisimula na yon, kaya lang may mga lost time ka na doon. Sayang yung opportunity, yung panahon na dapat na simulan mo na para nakikita mo na kung ano yung magiging resulta nun. Parang, kumbaga, nagtanim ka na ngayon, kinabukasan sa mga susunod na araw, meron ka nang i-anticipate na, uy, baka, ayan na, tutubo na yung itinanim mo. You have the Knight of Cups. There's like an offer of love for you, or like a person coming in sa'yo. Kailangan mo lang na maging patient, no? If you are looking for or waiting for someone to come in sa buhay mo. Meron kailangan mo na maging patient with this person. You have the 8 of Coins and 5 of Coins. Some of you, pagdating sa career, sa trabaho ninyo, may mga conflict na. Maaring conflict yan sa katrabaho mo or sa boss mo, or hindi na nagiging harmonious yung relationship mo sa mga katrabaho mo. This can be a toxic relationship sa school talaga. Bakit school? Pwedeng nasa school, or a toxic relationship with your workmate. You have the 6 of Coins, the 10 of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo, kung nasa point na kayo na pwede na kayong mag-avail ng retirement, no? Yung early retirement, yung let's say 15 years na kayo sa company, tapos nag-offer sila ng early retirement, pwedeng mag-avail na kayo nun. Para makaalis na kayo at yung marireceive nyo na lump sum or yung retirement fee or benefit, gagamitin nyo to start a new chapter ng buhay mo. Can be a business or ipupurso mo yung mga pangarap mo. Ano siya hindi siya madali. But kaya mo siya, no? Marami kang knowledge, skill set na pwede mong gamitin to make your dreams come true. I also see someone helping you, no? Pwedeng magbibigay ng assistance or ng advice sa mga gagawin mo, sa mga decisions mo. Ayun na, may solusyon na ang iyong problema. Inspiration unlocks the door. Oh my God. So finally, you will feel inspired na gawin na yung mga plano mo. And sabi rin dito, solutions are the key to success and more. Wow. So parang may final piece. Nahanap mo na yung final piece na yon para mag-unlock ng bagong opportunity sa'yo. May mga times na naguguluhan ka pa rin. Lalo na kung ino-overthink mo yung outcome, no, yung resulta ng mga gagawin mo. But you just have to believe in yourself. Meron ditong surprise. May good news na parating. This can be from a far place, no? Let's say, merong nasa abroad, magpapadala ng package, or merong magandang balita sa'yo yung partner mo na nasa abroad, or can be anyone. Yeah, you will have to face a major decision ngayong second half ng May moving forward. Whether magpapasok ka sa isang relationship or sa isang agreement or sa isang kontrata, isang commitment, pwede tong sa work na gusto mong pasukin, gusto mong subukan. So let's see the energy for your money, career, finances. Learn how to say no. Kapag hindi mo gusto yung offer sa'yo or hindi mo gusto yung pagtrato sa'yo, then speak up, no? Hindi mo kailangang mag-please ng ibang tao. You have, sabi rito, the universe says, go with the flow. Things may not go according to your plans, but there is something better for you to come. Oh, just let it be. Kumbaga padadaluyin mo kasi sometimes we are blocking the opportunity dahil nga natatakot tayo sa mga hindi familiar na bagay, yung mga unknown, kumbaga, mga hindi natin alam sa ngayon, but andun yung adventure so why not experience adventure? Speaking of adventure, you have the Queen of Wands, Seven of Swords, and also while doing that adventure, kailangan rin maingat ka sa taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. And number 1 dito is to trust yourself, to trust your gut, to trust, to have faith in yourself na kaya mo on your own, kahit minsan mag-isa ka lang. Sa relationship, unlock your heart, or ma-unlock mo ang heart mo sa isang person. Kaya lang, you also have to consider kung itong person na bibigyan mo ng attention ay nasusuklian niya yung effort na naibibigay mo. 8 of Cups, 10 of Coins. Yeah, kasi kung hindi niya nasusuklian yung efforts na binibigay mo, might as well walk away from that relationship and just focus on yourself, no? Yung pagpapaunlad ng sarili mo, ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay, ng mga goals mo sa buhay. The power of divine grace is within you, yes. You are powerful. Your intuition is correct. Follow your inner wisdom without fail. Mas magiging malakas rin yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo in making decisions that will definitely help you moving forward. Meron ditong divine timing. Yan, divine timing, divine intervention. So, minsan meron tayong mga gustong i-pursue, gawin, pero hindi siya nangyayari for some reasons. Maybe, ayan yung way ng pag-protect ng universe sa'yo dahil alam niya na meron pang mas magandang opportunity sa'yo na kailangan mong i-pursue. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.